says, whenever a verse is revealed, the devil comes and whispers. So Allah revealed the verse, Mal Masih ibn Maryam illa Rasul. Isa alayhi salam is the servant of Allah. What is the nature of Isa? Alqaha ila Maryam. He is the word of Allah and he is the spirit. Listen to this very carefully. He is the spirit from Allah. Ruhum min. Aidha ruhin, he is a person of spirit. And the nisbat towards Allah is tashrif and takriman. Like we say, Baytullah, the house of Allah. Not to suggest your local masjid is the house of the trustee. It's also the house of Allah, but it's, ta'zeem and takreem. So because in Isa alayhi salam, which Allama Alusi says, you have the sabab qareeb and sabab ba'id. The sabab qareeb is obviously the union of our parents, our biological parents. And then of course, there is the fluid which is deposited into the raham of the female, which is the outward apparent means. And then it's the will of Allah upon that which allows for that issue to be born. And because in the case of Isa alayhi salam, there was no sabab qareeb, so it was directed to sabab ba'id. So Allah refers to Isa alayhi salam, kalimatun, the word of Allah, ruhun, the spirit, minhu, from Allah. So the devil then takes this word and says, well, by the own declaration of the Qur'an, Allah's reference, Allah's expression, Allah's mention in the context of Jesus is suggestive that he has some uluhiyyat, wal-'iyadhu billah, he has ibniyyat, wal-'iyadhu billah, ta'ala Allahu amma yaquluna 'uluwan kabira.